Hey guys, it's Patrick. We got Rick. We got Melissa. We got Robert. We're all here at the Chihuahuas.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna do a little walk around here and check it out. Our Honda Trail 70.
I guess you're not gonna.
Gotta have one of those.
You're not gonna get to do a walkthrough with Rick. It's just not gonna happen.
I don't think it's a car. We're gonna go walk around the show a little bit here. I got Rick with me.
Yeah, I wanted this. I'd love my Ryan and Tyler Kello to look at this thing. Like, they're good friends of mine, and I know they'd love this.
I like the Froghouse Poo Poo Kaka Pee Pee license plate frame. But look at this Bronco. What do you think? 68, 67?
Oh, I'm not gonna throw a number on that.
Oh, look at that! And it's a pedal truck. Man, this is sweet. What do you think of this, Robert?
Love it. I love the gunmetal gray and black.
Oh yeah, and the wheels. Oh,
yeah.
look at that. He's got slotteds on.
Yeah,
That's the
we were just talking about those yesterday. With
old
that
school.
Ford. Yeah,
Yeah, those are vintage right there. This is a really exceptional Bronco.
and they don't. Yeah, like, the black wheels. It looks great.
Yeah, you don't see it well. And look at this. He's got the like the fortified or the Rhino bumper. Oh, this is a newer one. Or no, this is I'm gonna guess it's like a 69 or 70. They went till, what did they go till? 72 or something? I'm not sure. Wait, great looking Bronco. Let's keep walking around here. I like the white interior. I like the idea of the white interior too. Nice bimini top, nice cage. Everything's done right, but I love the fact that he's got classic US mags on this thing. It's just so cool. And right next to it, what do we have here? Is this a Cooper S? Standard Mini. Got the British plate on it. And I was talking about Volkswagen Gravit being the originator of the transverse front. Maybe it's Mini.
A little tiny radiator.
I know, it's just...
It's like
It's a little tiny motor.
too fine.
It is a tiny motor.
Yeah.
Oh, it is automatic, huh? Yeah. So this must be, well, it's
95.
It's a right-hand driver.
95. Would that be $95 option for automatic
Automatic
transmission?
transmission. Yeah. Look at the bottom line, 685 pounds.
Wow.
Wow.
How awesome is that?
And look at that automatic. It's an automatic. It's a 68
with the badge.
Wow. There's a sweet little Mini here. That's cool. I like this one. All right.
Oh yeah.
This Bronco though, man, that is just sweetness right there. Robert loves this. Like he says, Robert's all over it.
Yeah, my buddies would be
Yeah.
drooling over that for sure.
Yeah, that thing's beautiful.
I put a Hemi in it though.
Yeah,
Don't make me scare off your fan club.
Hey, you are. You're one of my number ones. And of course, we got Carl's insane four-wheel drive Mad Max Corvette here. This is not your grandfather's Corvette.
A Jeep Cherokee, integrated Jeep Cherokee.
Yep, yeah, you're right. It's a Jeep Cherokee. You're right. This thing is meant to do one thing. Look kind of wicked and crazy.
Make people scratch their heads.
Yep. But he does have a carbon fiber freaking air dam on it.
Why wouldn't he?
Why not? Right? Yep.
Hey,
Good. Mike, good to see you, buddy.
yeah,
Have a great rest of your day.
see you Wednesday.
We'll see you Wednesday.
See, Mike.
All right, take care, Mike.
Simple.
Beautiful
Simple.
65, huh? LS3 converted.
I like the aluminum tube intake.
Remind me later.
It's just so sanitary the way that it's done.
They kind of lock you out. You have that original information.
And look at this, he's got it tucked in nicely here, so he gets good cooling. He's had this built for several years. It's been around. Love the beauty rings with the rally style wheels. The fact that he's got it red painted, he's got his wheels painted match with the rally rings on it and stuff. It's pretty good. Interior. It's about a 30-year-old build. I think it's about 30, but then he upgraded to the LS3. Yeah, nice 65 Elco. There we go. Another Bob 65 here.
Lots to look at here.
265 side by side.
Yeah, there we go. Mike's out. There goes Fitz. He's got a fresh sticker.
Good to see you. You know, we got the Christmas
Toy drive
next week.
We were just talking about it.
Can we get you to bring your?
I'm pretty Zowie, eh, Patrick?
Yeah.
Oh, I know. He's had that thing for 30 plus years. See you, Mike. There goes Mike. As we call him. Here to Bob's Impala.
We were just talking about it.
283 badge, but I think he's got a bigger motor in this one. I remember right. He's done a bunch of work to it. How what do you think?
Yeah, I love it.
Now, if you ever notice my side emblems on my truck,
Yeah.
there it is. Yeah, the ones on my fender. There it is right there. Because I've had so many Impalas. I put Impala on my C10. I've had 8 or 9 of them. Something like that. And look who it is.
What's your favorite?
Trish, what do you think? You and Rick McAllister together.
The 55. I think the 55 is
The silver one?
the silver one. Yeah,
That's
like I love
Dan Simons.
Yeah, I think that's my favorite because it kind of reminds you of our 56. So
I love a good 56.
yeah.
Well, there you go.
More so afraid.